Hey,
are you kidding me?
she crossed over. Hey, relax. Hey, relax.
Ma'am, just calm down.
I tried. As a human being, I'm also a little bit sensitive.
When a passenger jumps an airline counter and claims self-defense after a fight, does the law protect her? Florida has a precise answer, and it depends entirely on who crossed the line first.
Take a 221.
Security.
Hey,
Are you kidding me?
she crossed over. Hey, relax. Hey, relax.
Get off of me.
Relax. Hey, relax.
Get off of me.
Stop. Come over
I
here.
have it all on video.
Come over here.
Everyone attacked me.
Oh, she was over here taking pictures.
You can handcuff me if you want to.
Can I have a 45 to the A side? Right at the Frontier exit. Or excuse me, Frontier Airlines ticket booth.
I have it all on video.
Okay, give me 1 second.
And she just assaulted me too.
Will you just lay that? Lay
in my
that.
purse.
Yeah, just lay it down right here.
Why did you want to reach on this side and come and take pictures on that screen, girl?
I have a 20-minute
Drop your jacket. No, drop your jacket.
I have a 20-minute video and a lawyer.
You're not supposed to reach.
And she put her hand on me. I have a 20-minute video and a lawyer.
Whatever video you have.
I have a 20-minute video. It's okay.
You breached and you came over. You attacked her.
No, you're on call. Try it again. Oh, smack your ass. Now you're ahead. Now you're no, you're talking about.
Just give us a minute, okay?
I wish that I could be here. Yo, you see that?
I wish that you would have got beat up too. You would have got beat up too. You would have beat up too.
Do you have ID and everything on
beat
you?
up too. It's my purse.
Give us one more. Yeah. Do you have ID and everything on you?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your ID at?
It's in my purse.
Okay. Do I have your permission to go in your purse and grab your ID?
Can I just get it? It's right here on the top.
It's right here on top?
No, it's not.
Okay. Give me just a minute. I'll get another officer here and then we'll go through it all, okay?
Okay.
How's it going?
Good, sir. How are you?
So, haven't investigated anything yet. I came over here and they were fighting. Her and one of them. Say again?
My lipstick's messed up.
No, it's fine. I'm not sure. Where did the other lady go?
She's in the back.
She's in the back?
She had to get beat up because she put her hands on me. I have it on video. I have my wallet.
They were fighting, rolling around on the ground before we got here.
I wasn't rolling around. I was on top.
I can take you back to her if you want. Where's your witness? Is the witness still here? The witness just checked in and she's going that way. Do you want to talk to her?
Yes.
Turn in the corner right now.
Yes, we need to talk to her.
Yeah, she.
You have cameras up here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I believe Gola can give you that, okay?
How long ago did this
I
occur?
just walked in, my shift, it just happened, and we have antibiotics until we get to the hospital. But they need to know
Are you okay, young lady? No, Ma'am, just calm down.
It's okay, mommy, come on. It's okay.
I know, and you're gonna press charges.
Come on, mommy,
Okay.
come on. Mírame, respira. Respira, mi amor, siéntate.
Ok, vamos a concentrarnos en esto para que te desinfectes, ¿ok? Ajá.
Just
Just relax, mami, ¿ok?
Just
Okay,
relax.
I'll wait till she calms down a little bit
Ok,
before I
vamos
ask
a
her anything.
concentrarnos en
Okay?
esto.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
our witness.
How are you?
Standing in the
I'm
line.
Mary Beth.
Mary Beth, it's a pleasure.
Nice to meet
Are
you,
you
sir.
a passenger or are you an employee?
Passenger.
Okay. Can we use this one?
Sure.
Can you tell me what you witnessed?
Sure. So I didn't see the girl when I first walked up, but I was standing like at the very front of the line, and then I heard, I don't know if it was her or the other ticket agent, telling her, "Ma'am, you can't be there, you have to move." And then like that woman there was walking up to her, and the girl just like kind of came over the counter at her, and the swinging started. And honestly, I can't tell you who swung first. I'm sure there's video, so I don't want to give any misleading information. But then, like, she got her by the hair, and they went down.
Who got who by the hair?
The young girl got the employee by the hair, and she like had her and took her down by like the head. And I jumped in because I was like, holy crap, they're on a conveyor belt. And I've actually, I'm a flight nurse, so I've actually seen people lose their hands on these things. It's like, oh my God, they have to get off the conveyor belt. And before like I could get up there, the gentleman here kind of got in and was trying to get her off of her, but she still had her by the hair. So I kind of jumped in and then got her fingers out of her hair. And once they were separated, I got out. I'm like, I gotta go.
This was occurring behind the counter?
Behind the counter.
And you said they were on the belt?
On the belt, yeah. Super dangerous.
You say that you don't know who threw the first punch?
I didn't see the first swing, but the girl was definitely behind the counter when it all started. Like, she was back there in the drawer or doing something back there, and the woman was telling her, like, you can't be back here, leave that alone, get on the other side. And I didn't hear what the young girl said back to her. But then by the time she got up there, you know, I was like, maybe I should have another place. So that's why I didn't see like the initial, like, who swung, because my first reaction was like, get out of here before the fight happens. But then the fight happened, and I'm like, oh, someone's really going to get hurt on that conveyor belt.
Okay. What time's your flight leave?
My flight leaves, boarding starts at 6:16. And the flight leaves at 7.
Okay. Do you think you have time to fill out a statement form for me?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, because one of the gentlemen out there said that he would walk me through security if it got close.
Okay. All right.
We'll get him here and bring him back to you, okay, dear? Okay? We'll get the paramedics here and come check you out. Better safe than sorry. You got some scratches on you.
If you can and when you want to, tell me what you witnessed. Tell me what happened up there, okay?
She came over to Ryan, which is rebooking, because she missed the flight. My job is to rebook her.
Now, when you say she, are you speaking of the young female that the officers is with out there? Okay, go right ahead.
So, I started to tell her that being that she's late, that the only thing that I can do is rebook her for the next flight. She didn't want to hear that, so she didn't miss the flight, so she's business class, that she was there on time. And according to this, you missed your flight.
Okay.
And then I went to my screen to book her for the next available flight. She started videotaping me, and she went on rambling like, that she was not late.
Okay.
And then she started videotaping me, so I went over to my supervisor. You need to talk to her. She's late. She doesn't believe that she was late for the flight. I'm trying to rebook her. She's getting a bunch of attitude. She's taking videotaping me, and you need to get it. You need to come over.
Okay.
He came over. She still had the phone in her hand, and the supervisor told her, well, are you videotaping me? She said, yes, but when you're done, you'll let me know. So he went that way. Yeah, he need to go. So we need to go and take a break. So I went to the ladies' room, yada, yada, yada. Came back out. She was still at my counter. I did not stop. I went towards my supervisor.
Just take your time. Take your time.
What are we doing? She's still there. She's still recording. As I'm talking to her, I saw her. She's alerted me that she jumped. The friend she jumped over, and then when I turned, she was there, and she had her camera on our screen, which is there for the public to see.
So by this time, she's behind the counter.
Oh yes, totally behind the counter.
Okay.
And I ran to her. No, you can't do that. You cannot jump over. You got to go to the other side. You cannot take pictures of what we got. You cannot. That's when, as I grabbed her and tried to put her on the other side, that's when she turned around and she slapped me. Well, I slapped her back. That's when we got into it. And then everybody came over.
Okay.
And she cut me there with her, I get her ring, I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't see any weapon.
Okay.
So we just went at it.
Okay. Now, just prior to her slapping you, What led up to that? What happened?
That I tried putting her on the other side, which is my God, she's not supposed to jump over.
Now, when you say tried putting her to the other side, explain to me what you did.
Well, I had to grab her, but she wasn't going to go willingly.
Okay.
I had to grab her and push her to go to the other side. I mean, she didn't fall or anything.
Okay.
She didn't get a chance to fall because she immediately turned around and slapped me.
Okay. All right. And did this occur right where they have her right now in the area
my
behind?
counter, yeah, my counter.
Okay. All right.
The additional service counter.
When the supervisor told you to take a break, how long would you say it was before you came back to the ticket
I
counter?
didn't take a break, just went to the ladies' room. I said, I took her to the ladies' room. Ready to do. I just went back out again. And she was still standing there. And I didn't want to deal with her because I already spoke to the supervisor and I need him to come back and deal with it. Because when it gets like that, we're not supposed to deal with it. They deal with it, so I stood back.
Did he say why he left?
Because he asked her, are you still videotaping? She said, yes. And then he said to her, well, when you're done videotaping, you let me know. So he went, because I think he had somebody else. I'm not too sure. I think he had somebody else. And he went to his station, and when I came from the ladies' room, that was before the slap. I'm getting mixed up.
Oh, just take your time. Take your time.
That was before he told her, when you're done, let me know. So he walked, and then he told me, if you need to take a break, just go and take a break. And that's what I did. That's when I came back, went back to him to see what we were going to do with her. And that's what my coworker who was just standing here was the one who looked, because my back was towards her, looking at my supervisor. And she said, hey, get up, you can't be on that side. And I turned, she was on our side, and she was like this with the phone on our screen. So you can't do that, you cannot come over, you cannot take pictures of that. So when I got to her, that's when I grabbed her and I tried pushing her to the other side, and that's when she turned around.
We're gonna have somebody come and just check you out, okay?
That's when she turned and she slapped me, and I slapped her back.
Okay. Now, prior to you coming in contact with her, the injuries to your face, did you have those injuries?
No.
Okay. All right.
No. I haven't even looked at my face. I know it hurts.
Okay, the paramedics are here right now. Once they check you out, then I'll ask you some more questions, okay? All right.
What were you doing in Orlando?
I was chilling out here, traveling.
Do you have friends here?
Making money, yeah.
Okay.
I have my own footage too, so are you denying my evidence, or are you guys going to check mine too?
You got your own footage?
Yeah.
You recording with your phone? Where's your phone?
Right there.
You were recording on your phone while the incident
and I've
occurred?
been telling everyone on that, and it's all been on footage this whole time. It's still recording.
Where's your phone?
Right in there, and right in there. The entire video. Okay, and as I'm gonna tell you again, I did not miss my flight. I was here on time. I bought business class, which is $147 on top of the Frontier class, which means I have 2 bags. I get to sit in the front, and I get to board early, right? They told me that they could not bring that up on me. And once it got brought up, they said, oh, well, you're late now. Okay, well, I was not late. You could not bring up my stuff, so now I need to get another flight. You cannot charge me for another flight and try to make me have a flight tomorrow and not give me a voucher. That is completely illegal. I paid for it and how it's my flight. You understand that, right?
Can I continue?
Continue to say what?
Continue to say what I have to say, what I have in front of me.
Okay, but what about the voucher?
Number 1, there is no voucher when you miss this flight. Number 2,
okay, I didn't miss my flight. I was here on time. Do you know what miss? Do you know the definition of miss?
you know the definition.
That's when I talked to Attitude. That's when she was like, yeah, I'm gonna pull my power and I'm not gonna give this flight. You can zoom past too if you want to. Like what? To the fight. Said you could take your break right now. While I'm in the middle, there's people in line, and he didn't want to help me because my attitude was too much for customer service. And then I went behind the thing after waiting 10 more minutes, and then attacked me, and I hit her back. And I'm about to go to jail because I defended myself. That's crazy. But it's okay, I got the video, I got lawyers. Nobody has the permission to delete that video off of my phone either.
No, nobody's gonna delete it.
Okay. That shit is completely out of pocket. Yeah, I had an attitude, but I don't deserve to go to jail because she put her hands on me. Like, be for real, guys.
Yeah, she was
A long time, a long ass time, just being hella disrespectful to me. Like, this up, guys. Be for real. I tried. As a human being, I'm also a little bit tipsy too.
Hey! Excuse me! Hey, excuse me! Get out! Get out!
Put her hands on me.
Yeah. So we just hear the commotion, but we can't see what
But
happened.
that camera, you can see it. That camera look up.
Yeah,
like,
they went to view
Well,
that
they're gonna
footage.
see the camera. Is
I
either
just
one of
I
those?
just wanted my footage viewed because I have evidence of them just like blatantly disrespecting me. Me being disrespectful too, but I'm the customer, you feel me? I'm obviously irate. I missed my flight. I'm like, you have experience of years of being able to deal with this. I should not have to go to jail because somebody put their hands on me. I'm defending myself.
Right.
And if that's the case and you guys see that other video, allegedly, if you guys see the other video and this lady put her hands on me, I should not be able, like, as a just person, as a police officer who's supposed to be.
Okay.
This is so.
All right.
They're reviewing the other footage, okay?
They're only investigating.
So we viewed her footage. She has footage too. So what did you see?
Oh, yeah, she's
Yeah, I know she was behind the counter.
gonna take her right to jail, I'll tell you that. Felony charges.
How do I have felony charges? Who's making the decision
So about what?
if I'm going to jail or not?
You're going to jail.
But who's made that decision?
The officer that's arresting you?
Who's the arresting officer is what I'm asking.
I don't know what his name is. I'm not sure who's taking it, but they viewed the footage and they've seen that they have PC'd arrest you. Okay, all right, come on.
But what do you mean if? Right? What do you mean if they let me out? I thought they were going to give me bail.
Okay, we're gonna go over here.
Stay in school, kids.
Okay.
Wait, is this supposed to be right there?
Yep. All right, you sit right there. Slide your feet in, turn to the side, and look in, okay?
Can I put these up here now?
You can put them wherever you can.
Like, can you, like, put them up here?
No, they stay behind you, okay?
Florida Statute Section 784.3 defines battery as intentional contact against another person's will. Section 784.41 elevates this to felony battery when that contact causes actual great bodily harm, up to 5 years in state prison. Florida Statute Section 810.8 criminalizes willful entry into a restricted structure without authorization. An airline employee counter qualifies. The trespass began before any punch was thrown. Florida Statute Section 776.12 grants the right to use non-deadly force in self-defense. But Section 776.41, the aggressor limitation, removes that protection from any person who provokes or initiates the confrontation. The Florida 4th District Court of Appeals confirmed this in Roe v. State 1999. A defendant who initiates the confrontation cannot claim self-defense without first clearly and communicably withdrawing before contact occurs. Felony battery under Section 784.41 requires 3 elements: intentional contact, against the victim's will, and actual great bodily harm. Officers documented visible facial injury before the arrest was made. The Fourth Amendment demands probable cause before any arrest. Officers reviewed security footage and collected 2 independent witness accounts before acting. That multi-source approach meets the constitutional standard. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S., 436, 1,000, 966, requires advisements only when custody and interrogation both apply. Voluntary statements made before formal arrest are fully admissible as evidence. Key legal lesson: a legitimate grievance does not create a right to enter restricted property or use physical force. Legal jeopardy begins at the moment of unauthorized entry, not the moment of contact. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1,000, 989, holds that officer conduct must be judged by what was known at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. In Florida v. Bostick, 501 U.S., 429, 1,000, 991, the Supreme Court confirmed that law enforcement contact in airports does not automatically trigger Fourth Amendment seizure protections. But the employee also struck back. The officer made a comment during transport. And the passenger's own recording may be evidence the defense can use. Did the investigation capture the full legal picture? That question is still open.